Hello student, welcome to my channel, A Journey of Exploring Education. Today you will see the presentation of Miss Shruti Parab on Human Resource Management. So let's see the presentation.
Hello everyone, myself Shruti Parab. I'm currently studying in BBA first year. So today I will give us some information about human resource planning. Human resource planning. The introduction of human resource planning. So human resource planning is a process by which management determines how the organization should move from its current manpower position. The terms resource and human resource signify potentially ability, capacity, and skills which can be developed through continuous interaction is an organization setting. It is a complex task which estimates the future demand and supply position of HR organization. Hence, it gives a picture of infinite future in advance in terms of human resource requirement for the company. HR is a meaning and definition. In simple words, HRP is understood as the process of forecasting an organization future demand for and supply of the right type of people in the right numbers. After this, only the HRM department can be initially the requirement and selection process. It called by manpower planning, personal planning, and employment planning. The definition of HRP, human resource planning. It includes the estimations of how many qualified people are necessary to carry out the assigned activity, how many people will be available, and what, if anything, must be done to ensure that the personal supply equal personal demand at the appropriate point in the future. Basically, it's the process by which an organization ensures that it has the right number and kind of the people at the right place at the right time, capable of effectively and efficiency competition those tasks that will be help the organization achieve its overall objectives. Concept of HRP. Human resource planning is both a process and a set of plans. And effectively, HR plans also provide mechanism to estimate any gaps that may exist between supply and demand. Thus, HR planning determines the members and types of employees to the required into organization or pauses out of it. Dynamic by nature, the HR planning process often requires periodically read judgments or labor market condition changes. It is how organization assess the future supply and demand for the human resource. It's HRP. HRP is a subsystem of total organization planning. HRP facilitated the realization of the company objectives for the future by providing the right type and number of the person. HRP is also called manpower planning, personally planning, and employment planning. Ensure that the organization has right number, right kind, right place, and right time. Objectives of HRP. There are five objectives of HRP. First is forecasting human resource requirement. Second, effectively management of changes. Third, realization organization goals. Fourth, effectively utilization of HR. And fifth, promotion employees. Here is a diagram of HRP process. Thank you.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.